tukakutangirira situte busuburero kwamena ninje Mate Ishak omnyamyatsi wukuwau habwe chinemba chinweche Tayari West TV okwandambenu tuli omwa bipindi ebye Rimi Town Council kanda hano omwa Bunyangabu district tuwite tukayakana yako na LC3 mwete mumeya owe ekipindi kino eche Rimi Town Council kandi omwami Abel tunenayo hano kaya tukanira okumyatsi eite ya Mutinamuma momole tukarangira hano Rimi bawute ekitsibuke che butandwa bawute ekitsibuke ribyende halewe roundabout okwa rode runo orukaenda orukasube 40 erire kasese so tukanze rimenyerera ibongabe membecha bawite programu cherangirende roundabout we yuba kasalirayo amagezi then tukayakana yako no kumyatsi ye tax park kandi nerangirende abasubuzi abakakolera hano mukatale mo baba Russia omumwanyi oyo bama basubya omumwanyi wundi so nechi tukayakana yako kandi tukamenyerera ndi hano omwarimi bawute eminyobano ya mataka necho nacho tukayachikana yako omwami Abel ane hano eritubwera ibongabe mbembetya abe chipendi chenu emibere bawite erangirende eminyobano nge yeyusi bakahandulingayo lekatura mukayeko tuchuke programu omubwiswire twakutangira omwami Abel Tayari West TV webali muno kubazaho neitwe banzura muche abantu abakurura
mwebale Tayari TV kwija hano Rimi Town Council kano kubaza neitwe kabembezi ba Town Council eno niyo banyita Lieutenant Abel Ngomayondi wahumwire kandi akwembera Town Council eno kurugetandika 2009 2010 unyikirize mtakaje kinabaza program zimwine mbanze nyebaza abantu ba Rimi Town Council abansonga nkisatu isonga yokubanza program zone zitukuleta nibazijumbira muno ubunizira hano nkasanga abana rusangi 18 aba beto butwatere mamani mu education twakore nkurato twa meetinga PTA management committee za masomero tuikiranganiza kuteka akasente umutwaro gumunecweka buli mwana buli tamu hata abana bona mu Rwimi nibahika echo koruriraho twina nkarwimi primary school au model school ekikaliza abana 19 abanda chena nabana bona bakeka mu division 1 abasigara bayeka mu division 2 bona masomero bayeka kurungi muno secondary school Rimi secondary hati ni singazine za Bunyangabo so one ngoze kwa abantu ba Rimi kurangu program zitukuleta nebazijumbira echa kabiri tenyene exact mileage rundi kilometers ngude zituyigwire engineer aja kubana to that report bete ngude zituyigwire mu Rimi Town Council nyingi muno ninja turi mu kilometer nka 10 bete abantu bakikirize ngudu zimzona zara mataka gawo tutagara mu ene conflict rundi compensation runduki echo ngonza kuchebaliza abantu ba Rimi akona manyo rugudu yokuraba village development echa kasatu ngonza kwabaza abantu ba Rimi kurugantandika hano ka chairman wa Rimi sub county 207 Town Council bizire 209 2010 misabire honorable Kaendo Tafire kali minister wa local government ubirobo ubuyaje tuhere ku rugobo na hati abantu nibansajika muno ni join katunga points 92 na katundu ka musanju hari 10 wabere isimbere kayo 17 I think 0.3%. So ngoza kwaza abantu ba Rimi abo kujumbira program zetu no kutusajika
kare webale muno wait honorable nturora Ruimi ni eriye mu hatauni zilionze kura hano mu Bunyangabo ntwena tandike ne Ruimi ne manywa nkikikaro kikuba muno butando harugudo runo rugenda 40 ruga kasisi ntwenda kukimanyira ntukimanyira ntaro round about kutalibaniza abantu.
That's right.
Tutandikiraho inywe nkaba bembezi ekintu kinu mukinogire muto mubazi tandike nene
webale ekintu kya round about first of all round about iyo nka round about yekuleta ekizibu ekizibu ni kirugera nsonga nkibiri. One, kuruga Kabale kuija noba nushuma hati abakozire ngudo bano Chinese wuyi bakateka mu humps nyingi kakasonga nyanja alo humps aho hati motoka kuchwekere na munonga zile zikusibisa pressure kutera hump ibinyuzi bya pressure bikatana hati motoka nebeta cyasiba. Ekintu cha round about echi tukaleto na by then executive director wa Unura umuchara Allen Kajina twarambura kuruga Kabale kwika hano hatu asanga ngo motoka zino zetaga resting place hano Kabale bakuriyetinga stopover motoka zikazemereraho zimara bamara kuzitekaniriza brakes nachi accidents za yemera betu mukama witaka yagamba nango nagonza kolisi takari hati that parking yard yagisiri ngofu na barbed wire hati kurugobwe ikizibu cyeyongire motoka nizija through kuzimya motoka yane yiruka kutaninga round about ni kiguma so zigumizamu so Ministry of Works
zikwata umuhando
genda mu prison akwani kugura direct so ijwere tukagenda twabazana OC prison nitugonza araka kona kuruga round about onogenda mu prison twagonza kona kanu tukihemu akwala hamaju zimuni zigo mumaju ako the OC prison yagamba itaka jine chapa itaka ya prison uchetagisa Commissioner General ni waratu hitakeri ubarayikiriza muturabyo ruguru bete cyariyo kitaka kozirwe engineer yatuhabura ngo obutekaho an island y'umusenyi just sand motoka zone je kwemera ari tukurabo so next to the playground we are going to put the sand
okay
motoka yone rale mu kutera round about eje kusimira hali nibicha cyayongerayo netero umusenyi nemereraho tu tubere tutakire motoka zikuparkinga round about wanonkaguza abuko manye round about taro parking yard ya motoka ko furudinga ibintu byazo so hati kino abantu bachikora abukuba tumaliriza park tugonze motoka zona ziruga round about zije mu park
by the way
zine zegwire
leka tubalize ukimona cha park park enu hiyo mugitandikire na habwake kandi na abantu mbenda kumanya nisangwa mu bicweke byanka
good at park eno tukagitandika uboruga hata unukanso tuna akatale so akatale kandi katana urugudo abachina babene bakora zine ngudo tukabasaba batero tamaka arakachweka koraba apaka karutamaka na kachweka kandi kakora mu town side ya town bateko tamaka so paka huneweli hati paka tukajikozese kurungi abo ensonga ibiri ensonga yo kubanza engudo zikuruga mu paka na munonga izugenda kasesi n'uruguro bero tekaniziwe kurungi akwana hakanitaga carvats izikutwara amezi beti nkubaliza hati carvats zikakorwa. Number 2 we had the problem of the toilet, public toilet atwino tukate toilet ya million nkaga waterborne toilet number 3 hatongere mu channel izikutwara amezi jweri tukatunga bakaho yari ma trenches za amezi go na amezi tikacharaba mpaka the water is taken care of. So after this one we are going to open this park tumaze no kuteka road signs, one way no parking, so that motoka zona ziruga around about zigene mu park. Iziraze gwire bintu kugira ngo park aroka distance basobora ku parking onu Gatyanga onu Ntabago road. Uruga around about uruguru rukuceka urugenda Ntabago road cyakatabaza. Hati motoka zona zitekera bintu zijya ku parking onu Ntabago road. Hati batunge ayeda babare ba wheelbarrows o tukutuku ebintu byabo babiteka moduka gabo.
Tukabazaho ninjuka obusumi obwahweire tukabazaho naba aho aruho abantu abaina mahadiweya maduka makotokoto.
That's right.
Bufurudingira aho henyine around about.
That's right.
So hibo bagama nti tibasobora kurugaho because now it is nchija kuba costinga kandi ebintu kubyofurudingira hand kandi babirete maduka gabo nti nkija kuba costinga. So tinkumanya nkeinywa abebembezi abantu aba baina mahadiweya abaina maduka makotokoto aho nimuga kubakora mageziki.
Hata magezi kutukubaha nabo nibachurora ku parking role hali emotoka chweka kunu kizibu cha amani kukira ibintu geno nugatya onu Ntabago road. Ntabago road is about not even 100 meters. Ibintu bijya kurugwa wheelbarrow, ibintu bijya kurugwa hatukutuku babiteka maduka gabo. Abo kuba there is no way you can create a parking yard around about. Abo ko around about na maduka umwanya ugusigireho niyo space yoguriza ibintu byabo tosubara creating park. Betu ku parking onu Ntabago road wheelbarrow urundi tukutuku bireta. It is very simple and at little money but at less risk than parking on the roundabout. In fact, next week tujya kutekaho no parking signs. Ubwapa tugenda kubiteko now nobody is going to park there anymore. Akoto tujya kwigura park.
Okay, webale mun. Wakutorora ha tayari West TV tuli no Munyoro Abel kandi niwe meya wa urubuga hanu rwa Rwimi. So tuliyo ntubaza nawe hansonga ezitali zimu na zimu kira muno ensonga zinu eza abantu ba hanu wa Rwimi kandi twabazaho hansonga za roundabout twabazaho hansonga za Butandwa tuliyo ntucyabaza hansonga eza park tukimanyira nti Rwimi mbaga kuba na park so beihe motoka kuba nzi parkinga muhanda ekintu ekiswa kuba nkireta Butandwa. Waitu honorable ntucyagena meiso nukubazaho hansonga ezitali zimu na zimu antumanyira mu mwanya ogwo gwe mutire mu park mukagwihamo abasubuzi.
That's right.
So abasubuzi betubalizeho abatali bamu na bamu mboreka obutali hibo obutali bwinganiza mbagamba mubehira muhanda mwabagara kune nyuma ahatali bakastoma abantu tibakubarora. So kandi ni mubenda mu musoro so hati byabasobera kale iwe nko mwebembezi timanyo okinira mageziki.
Hata magezi galiho ekyo kubanza kimbe ntabalize hapa ko tukona waiting shed hata bategereza kwa going ekyabasubuzi uboragena mu katale ketu kanu which is near the park, actually opposite the park. Tukagenda twakwata grade akatale twakagradinga. We have graded this market twatekamu 3 steps. It is now flat. Abantu bakwasira emyanya yabo, they are very comfortable. The physical planner na engineer bagenda mu katale ko na CDO bad marketing akatale in such a way that abagure bintu ni baraba hagati y'ibintu. Ibintu biri either side abagura ni baraba hagati. All through, in fact, in Kubaliza, abagrading akatale kanu had there is even more space. Abantu bakwijuramu. Betu buli akatale kakali mu bikunguri, betu ata ukagradinga. It's a very good place. Abantu basubuzi na bakusubura bona. They are selling their things. There is no. That's why they have not complained. Akwa tukabahemyanya mukatale kandi basangale harungi. even kuchira mupaka
betu naba mu bagamba abantu tibakubaika okurungi nkabuli
nikirugire cyo kutunda abokuba the physical planner, the engineer, the CDO, in fact na town kakabaliyo nakatale bakatireza hati ngu aboguze ebikade bino mwanya gwabo abengudo sora bengaito bino mwanya gwabo so buli item eno mwanya gwayo so bundaje ngonza kugura boots ni manye bakuzigulisa so tugamba ngo abantu bakoma kuri bagenda nangu abantu kabateka mu grades kuruje ibintu bakutunda and the market is now really better than before it was Katogo betu hat echokwena no manye okuchiya, you know, and we think it is going to help the traders more and the town council. Yes.
In Kenya bembezi obusumi obwenyuma nturamuka bawuno kusikumugwana abataka nsonga eitaka inywe nkatauna council magondeze ko ha Centenary Bank.
Yes, right.
Etekeho bank. Hanu abataka baisana kuba ntiti bakwikiranganiza ne kiteseki. Ntwenda kumanya itaka eri himbi ahikanka itaka mukamara mwale ha Centenary mukwekaka oba mukakora muti
webale chikaguzechi abokuba nomanya emotoke kutambura niyo kusuka abantu echuchu kuri town council ereno itambura speed ya man kandi tukasanga ngo abantu mu town bayo kusubura kandi subulisa sente so sente abantu nabazyanka twasanga abantu bamwe babeni be sente loans mukafuna and you know kafuna interest yabe very high abantu bastaking amataka gabo so twasanga ku bank would be the easiest way to secure loans kandi kusasura mubwire ubugerekere butali bwa speed so Centenary Bank through the church the Catholic Church ya tusaba so tuyikiriza kubaha itaka liyokora emirimo yabo betaka libahere tuyine kora mu mitenderi 5, you know, kutarugenda ati ngu wapangisha itaka lya government rundi waliguza mitenderi 5. Mutendero go kubanza was to get a council resolution. Council tuyine kitekerezo kinu mu kigambo hoke ekintu cyo kutungira plot Centenary Bank council yakirabyaho. We have a council resolution. Number 2, tukatwine ku identify lini itaka. Lini itaka nanka bank erikwenda tulinde linka. Itaka no boragenda physical plan ya town council. Itaka eryo liriho arakajuka mezi National Water and Sewage Corporation bine office yabo. Lini itaka eri tukubazaho liri nyima ya that National Water and Sewage Corporation office. 2 plots. Hato physical planner na engineer wamazile ku identifying these 2 plots but take a mark stones because mark stones oro ngorulimi orwa value echoma chikwa itaka lya government value ni urulimi chirukumanyi so tukana tugenda stage ya kasatu yokuvaluinga lini itaka you know abantu baruzire hari mark stones obagama mutugulisi abantu bayi mucherera ninya nabesire nagamba nyowe ekintu kinkora ngonza mwije hano town council tuboleke itaka eri tukubazaho abantu beija tukagira urukura twaho twaboleka mark stones eri tukubazaho kabakana bagamba tuguliza itaka lya Rwaro tuguliza itaka lya town council twaboleka the 2 plots tukubazaho nizo zino tizine kakwate ni Rwaro of course uranagenda kuri meso itaka uruguro rw'Rwaro rugenda hirwaro itaka ritukubazaho liramuti guri inyuma yakajuka mesi so tumazire kura value we have to go to the Solicitor General. Solicitor General ni wakutwa endagano wakolendagano nguli ni itaka Centenary Bank ilipangisiza habu ya condition zino imyaka 80 down payment annual you know rent bigena mundagano yaandikwa Solicitor General not Eroswanu chairman okay you know then 5th tinogena mu lands, Ministry of Lands, these 2 plots, bazikolera ekyapa. Ekyapa kiri mabara ga Rwimi Town Council, but leased lipangisibwe Centenary Bank, habya myaka 8. So, abantu bayimukirire twagamba hatubwora omukazi akunda omwana kukira nyina muzeeri. Omaye ngogu omukazi nagonza kuryona omwana, bayoreka ngo bagonza Town Council kukiritu, kandi tuturaningira council. You know?
So what was the way forward? Ekintu mukamara mwakisigaho kyahanginga mwanya over.
Nangwe ekintu takisigaho abukuba abantu bayitegerize. One, ngutuguriza. Akwatine n'obusobozi bw'okuguza. Number 2, ngukitukwana tujja kuyamba abantu ba Rwimi. Abukuba umanya this Centenary Bank agents abutwina hano tosobora kwigura mu account. Wino genda either Kasese round 40. So basangu banko bwerija hano kijja kubanguhira muno kugura accounts zabo batagenze Kasese round 40 port. Bagamba nango bano bene bagonza kutubuza. You know kutabisa. But the idea is very good.
So what is the way forward now?
So the way forward, of course, kunagambira it follows 5 different stages. You know?
So mura stage ya
stage ya kasatu to give this piece of land value. Then after that, we go to Solicitor General, then we go to Ministry of Lands, and there we are. Because otherwise, abantu bachakanisa bakabachategerize akwa bakabagambira ngutugurize itaka lirwaro. Number 2, ngutugurize first of all. Number 2, itugurize itaka lirwaro. Batu bamazire kwetegereza ngo titwine busobozi bwokugusa. And what we were doing was good for them. You know, not for me as a chairman or the town clerk, but for the people of Rwimi. Yes.
Tuchabaza hansonga nizo zimwe za ezitaka. And tukimanyira nti government ekarugayo ya yenda kurisetolinga abakiga bali hano mu Rwimi. Yabatungira itaka Mpocha. Itaka eri ilichaliyo hiyo resettlement process ya ikanka urora nti abantu bali karaita.
No, that statement is wrong. Government ekarisetulinga abantu kuruka Rwimi. Kuyaho government ekarisetulinga abantu ababere bali Sanga and Mpocha. Akwa Mpocha is a game corridor between Elizabeth Park, Queen Elizabeth Park, and Chibale National Park. Actually, go muhanda gwenjojo ubazenizirwa kunu zigenda kuli. So people were removed from there. Then abachanga bakari mwitaka lya prison. Nabo government yabihayo. Nibo yahera mataka Bugangezi. Ukabandi basalamu baguma kunu. So there is nobody who has been resettled from Rwimi to anywhere.
Okay, I mean because it is also part of your town council.
Yes.
How far is the process?
No, Tsanga. Tsanga, first of all, baro prison ubu yanyegerire. Sorry, ubabiheyo Tsanga. Mwitaka lya government. Managed by Uganda Prison Services.
Yes.
Abantu banyegera prison. Mwite tuyikara hano mutubingiro muta. So, umusango agenda mu court. Nanyoka no kagamba I testified in court as a chairman of Rwimi Town Council. Rwimi Prison Farm is in Rwimi Town Council. Eri muruka gwa Rwimi Central Ward. So twagenda mu court ya sarongwa itaka lya prison. Akwitaka rikari ne chapa ababere bali hobona the criminal trespassing on this land. So babihayo and the case was closed. So what happened? Banu babere banyegerire. Those abanyegerire prison bakanyegerera mu nabantu. Bagamba this inka silver to yongere nabandi ngubano abakene bajurira government. So hati abo bagaruka bapiringa. Judgment ene mukozire nitwenda mu costs. Bano bantu batunyegere bine kutwa costs. So that case still pending. Betu kugira ngo kureseturinga abantu kuri nango icyo kitabeho abukuba bakabari trespassing itaka lya government managed by Uganda Prison Services. Beta bachanga that's wrong go nyono kujya nkantakizire kuno. Yes.
Kale. Webale muno Mr. Abel kandi n'abakuturora ha Tayari West TV tubatangira mwebale muno kuba mwerindire ha mbeho za Tayari West TV tukyagenda meiso tubaza hansonga eza abantu ba Rwimi kiro kinu tuli mu bicweka bine bya Bunyangabo Rwimi hano town council so tubazaho no omwebembezi mwete mayor over LC3 urubuga runu orwa Rwimi so nturora Rwimi hano mwinaho ebyoma eby'ebicholi mwinaho ebyoma eby'omuchere habwa abantu kuba mbejumbira muno mu bintu byokurema.
That's right.
Beitu amasanyazi ngabura wizire bukiri inyo buhereza bwanyu bwa masanyarazi hano buri buta kukira muno hatitongole chine cha UDCL
webale observation ejo first of all ngonza kwebaza government ya NRM abo kumanyirira abalimi kuba kuonyera kuongera value abyo kuri bitukulima government ekaturitera umuchere hano tune choma chikuterezo umucheri which is valued about 600 million government ekaturetera hati ni chikora Ruda Rwimi Development Association ichoma chiriao government yagaruka aturetere chome chindi actually 2019 byo kwanda tuchirunchinga icho umwana chagenda gatyanga 3 hati chine chome 2019 byo kuchirunchinga na chuweire kandi njuka nkarugana na town clerk twagenda Ministry of Works twasaba yo sente abo kwanku kuwahora gatyanga 3 haro rusoje ruguru tirurungi twine urutindo uruconnectinga Rwimi town council and Chabarongera sub county in Kasese district. Runo rutindo ruli very very important abokuba umwana mwingi nibaguri makuri kuri ali amasomero ali amarwaro so abantu kachakatano abantu nolete bintu bingi mukatale hano so twasaba sente Ministry of Works batu million rukaga from emergency road fund zinu sente zakole bintu bibiri tujya kwigura rugudo tike mu first class maram rugendo rabachoma chomwani rugende kima rutindo number 2 sente zindi rehabilitating this bridge so that people can pass with ease now kwikao rutindo it is hanging bridge it is hanging in the air mujungu akarukora take wire nkeza masanyarazi but we are going to rehabilitate it with that 600 million so that umwani umwana that factory are going to launch on 19th tulengu gwa umwani gwa Chabarongera mwinji gona kuja kwijana so to answer your question amasanyarazi it is true we have a challenge of power and because of this on and off I have lost so far 3 transformers emwiri gatyanga hari enderi Nyabwina and recently emwiri mu center abwa fluctuation ya masanyarazi actually we are
karangabura
and here itwaika we need more power than ever before akwa factories nizeyongera buli kilo bicholi there is actually somebody who's putting up a factory down here na goza kukamura cooking oil from groundnuts from beans machinery amazire kubirete byoma birhan beta masanyarazi it's a big challenge you actually appeal ekitongole kiri concern at least umeme bagata kukira kuburabura beta hato butukaguza bagamba umeme kareke bintu binge byatakozire they are rehabilitating that's the reason we would wish them to work as faster abukwa masanyarazi kintu kikuru muno so that problem is there and yet people of Rwimi are very busy adding value to their crops yes
katubazeho hansongendi obuntorora nikutukumalira haroho insonga y'obusuma obwebisoro kera muno ente embuzi hano mu Rwimi abantu bageza kurorera ebisoro byabo niko bakusobora beitu obusuma bugenzera imbukanyira abantu kandi nojja kusanga nti mu bantu abo benyini abaku ebisoro byabo ebikuba bibirwe mbagamba sente bakaziha sente za PDM.
That's right.
Sente za PDM nizo bagenzere meso nokugura mu bisoro ibi. So baliombe kaguza mbagenda kusasura bata sente PDM abo kuba ntuhura government etandikiro programu ya abantu kurora nikubagara you say.
Correct. That is a very good observation. Obusuma amazima go galingu tubere twino obusuma ko dore nabantu kwide empunu you know bet hati ngonza kuyebaza kwa twino OC station hano atlije wa mugarura nka DPC ahayizire obusuma bw'embuzi akabutero kimwe amani mengi muno bamutweni twakwatera mu katale muno bine mbuzi ziro bibali.
Okay.
You know rera mazima galingu mu weeks nkibiri 3 obusuma bw'embuzi bukeyiri betu buli kilo. In fact arobibe mpunu nizo zasembereyo eza Dr. Matama hano hati bana bazitwara Kasese ningero kubatwara yakererwa bija bazikwatira checkpoint hano Rugenda bara kurugobwe twasanga ngo timu ya bene ibe mpunu zine zitwara Kasese akabiri timwemu konke nabakuboreka mpunu zirahana mpunu zirahari so butwarize kwataba kandi twachiforwinga twamega shongo baba siba ato busuma bw'empunu bwayemera obwembuzi bwayekaroka teito beti nkubalize in fact na Saturday nkande kibito nembaza na DPC yagamba rabere bibiri mbuzi kacinga hati baba kwatira mu rukombo. So yes obusuma tibukwaho betatu bukeyire tibuli nkabuli so naitwa nkabembeze ni sasa umuntu kutunga PDM millionemu ukagura mbuzi awu satwina nyencha bakazitwara. It's very painful. Really nturango obusuma buti bwagarukaho. Yes, bitu chirungi bukeyire.
Kare honorable kigambo cyawo cyo kumalira ubuntu raga abantu abakutorora hatayari west.
Ekintu cyo kumalira ngonza kubaza kintu cha garbage. Umanyire Rwimi is a town council, yes, since 2010. Betu mutauni munu tali mumusubuzi akora kusubura 100%. Buli musubuzi hano mutauni ayino musiri. Hata bagenda musiri gw'ebihimba akaleta ebihimba kamara kutondora ebihimba bina nagahari. Ebicholi anagahari. Ebitoka hata anagahari. So tuchane challenge ya garbage mutauni munu. Ntugeze muno turakatene chweka buli kilo betate planning hati nkakanso tugonzo mwaka ukwija gwa sente kutandika kwezi kwa musanju tuserule drums bulika tujiteke mu drums ibiri ebikujunda babiteke mu drum yabyo ebitakujunda babiteke mu drum yabyo so ito nkakanso bine bitakujunda tubene betwatwara mukasasiro bino bikujunda akwana bagambera abantu bona balimi bino birajunda unu mukamwabya bitwale mu ndimiro ye nkamanywa I am sure this will help us akwa kasasiro hano netwara sente nyingi muno turakita kufeka marankena ku ibiri no ulire nduru kasasiro
so by the way tuka of recent nka rubatao hano mu Rwimi no Laurent na garbage ejwire muno mikuro ya maize.
That's right. Ekintu cye mikoro ya maize in fact tereho buryo kurangu tuyigure mikoro eje umanya aba China bakatukorera mikoro ya maize emo batekaho ebisement higuru amezi nagaraba hansi so tugizire kizibu wano ganda nkakunifa police echupa kasasi bateka mikoro ekire mikoro ya jigara amezi gatandika kuraba higuru so njuka tukatekaho no mwami Wilson twateka umuhigo bine bisimento abyo twayigure mukura so nitsaba abantu bona uboranye chupa yawe ya soda leka kujitambikali ubora you know echora kora chona leka kutambikali ichirungi nyebaza aro company ekutwara machupa hati ogenda ngagatyanga road ali ichirundo cha machupa you know ubugenda hano ha Main Street Chebumba ari murondo gwa macupa bano tukonyere muno kesa amacupa mu public betu nitsaba abantu babulikiro please don't throw away this bottle you have used ako icupa te kujunda hati kuchiteka ruja kusanga matagagetu ubuziragero za gasisa so ekintu cyo kurwanisa kasasuro mulimo gwa buli muntu wena tuguli mulimo gwa town council yonka betu muli muntu wena wene kurwanisa kasasuro kurango town yetu uburufa bwa rugama kwa tukura speed ya amani. Yes please.
Wewe bale muno waitu wakuturora ha tayari West TV twaija hakumalira entegeka yaitu enu tubeire na Abel Ngoma Yondi ono ni LC3 owe urubuga runo rwa Rwimi tubeire nawe antubaza hansonge zitali zimu na zimu ezikwata abantu abarwimi mwamwehurira tukujja kubegaruka mu bigambo bye nibyo ebi wasinja kutsiba musamaliri turwe na Ngoma Yondi Abel kandi niyo LC3 owe town eno eye Rwimi turwe tukakana nayo ku myatsi 8 ya Mutenamoma kandi mwamomo wirira so emyatse neko yereyetya wasinja kutsiba eribya wabiri tsungiro kwa Kinemba okwamena ninje Mate Ishak umunyamyatse ukwawo habwe Kasese district ne Bunyangabo district wasinja kutsiba